Asteroids Day. Do you know why International Asteroids Day is celebrated? It's a big blast, but not a bomb blast, but it is an asteroid blast. To answer all these questions, we have some special guests. Let me introduce them. Astrophysicist Mr. Adarsh, astrobiologist Miss Snuti, geologist Miss Kaivalya Reddy. Mr. Adarsh, can you describe the event?
Hello everyone, I am Adarsh Sajjan and I am an astrophysicist. I am here to discuss with you the catastrophic event of Tunguska. This is believed to be happened by an asteroid impact, which is believed to be 80 to 100 kilometers in diameter. This is a very huge asteroid, and these kind of asteroids only hit Earth in a few thousand years. So this was a very dangerous cause. This asteroid originated from the asteroid belt. That is where most of the asteroids in the solar system are present. Now, due to the Jupiter's gravitational pull, it was pushed out of orbit and it was sent hurtling towards Earth. Now, it was in a very small amount of speed and it was pushed out of orbit many years ago. But as it came towards Sun, it started accelerating and the mass deflected it out of its orbit again and it was sent towards Earth. Now, due to Earth's gravitational pull and Moon's gravitational pull, it started accelerating towards Earth. This acceleration was then increased and increased every minute. So it began accelerating at great speeds. Now, if Earth didn't have an atmosphere and it hit Earth directly, it would have caused Earth to reform its shape again. So all life would be destroyed. But thankfully we have an atmosphere, and when it hit the atmosphere, it began accelerating even more due to the increasing of the Earth's gravitational pull. As it hit the atmosphere, it started burning in the thermosphere of it is the second layer of the atmosphere. This is the protective shield against all these kinds of asteroids and meteoroids. When any small asteroids, like smaller compared to this one, hit this layer of the atmosphere, they started burning. But this one also started burning, but it didn't melt completely because it was very huge in size.
Miss Geologist, can you say the impact of asteroid on this Earth?
Hello everybody, I'm Kaivalya, a geologist. This Tunguska event is the largest cosmic calamity which had happened because of an interplanetary hit of the Earth's atmosphere. This had happened in our historical times on June 30th, 1908, and which has devastated about 2,000 kilometers. There are several theories which had put forward to explain this Tunguska event, but according to available evidences, we can say that this is an explosion of an asteroid. And according to Aerophoto survey, it is said that it is a unique radial forest which had been created because of an explosion of a meteorite or asteroid. And there are, if you want to know the intensity, take this that this is a piece of Siberia tiger, and this is that asteroid. It had hit the Earth. So at that time, if you want to know the intensity, from this place after 40 miles, a man is standing there, his shirt has burnt. That means it has a lot of intensity, where it had released a lot of gamma radiation to the Earth's atmosphere. So if you collect a part of that piece of a tree which had survived at that area in 1908, you can see that it had changed, and the atmosphere is also changed, and the carbon and nitrogen had been released a lot, and there is a radioactive blast where cesium, plumbum, thorium, uranium and such metal elements have been released into the atmosphere of our Earth, and it had made that particular place to be inhabitable. where if you visit, you can see even one single plant on that piece of land of that earth. That means it had a lot of intensity.
So what do you say about it, Miss Astrobiologist?
Hello everyone, I am Smriti. I am an astrobiologist. Astrobiology is nothing but branch of space science. I am here to discuss about the Tunguska event. The Tunguska event was occurred on 30th June. I think we have to study the asteroid to find out why it crashed on Earth. It even may have extraterrestrial life and different kind of microorganisms.
Yes, sir. So how we can save our Earth from asteroids?
Now this is similar to the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. But that was bigger than this, and this could never cause that much high damage. Now, as it started burning in the thermosphere, its core contained many radioactive and flammable chemicals, such as hydrogen. So, due to hydrogen present in this asteroid and the oxygen present in our atmosphere, it exploded and it was divided into two pieces. Now, the debris of the asteroid fell in the city and caused destruction everywhere, and it killed and injured many people. But the big part of the asteroid, which was still not separated into smaller pieces, fell in the forest on the banks of Tunguska River, and it destroyed everything in the 2000 square kilometers of the radius, and toppling 80 million trees. It exploded at a very great strength, like the nuclear bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. These kind of asteroids are very dangerous, and we should do everything to stop them from hitting Earth again. If now we know that it exploded in the atmosphere due to the heat and it had many flammable chemicals in the core. So if we had predicted the asteroid coming towards us before many months before collision, then we could have detonated it, and it would break it into two pieces, and it would send them hurtling towards any other planet or in any both of the different directions. So if we had found out about this before many months, we could have just cut it into half and send them into different directions. That would never matter and destroy Earth or destroy the city anymore. It would not have been the great threat to us anymore. But we failed to identify the asteroid coming towards Earth, and the event happened. But we have to learn from our mistakes and prevent them from happening ever again in the future. So that's why we have to keep an eye on this kind of dangerous and the asteroids that leave their orbit frequently. So we have to keep on searching for these kind of asteroids. We have to keep on researching about them. They might even be special asteroids, and they can also be dangerous. So we have to keep an eye on these asteroids and keep them away from Earth to save the planet.
Ma'am, can you support this?
So think of it. This is known to us, our human mankind, and this is Tunguska event which made that part of Earth inhabitable, and not even a single plant grown till now. And it is few million years back, the rulers of this earth, that means the dinosaurs, have gone extinct because of an asteroid impact. That means we need to pay attention to them. It's so important to pay attention. That is why internationally, worldwide, many countries have planned missions to different asteroids like Hayabusa, which have collected samples sent by Japan, and to create awareness among the people worldwide. International Astronomical Search Collaboration IASC is conducting asteroid search campaigns, and from our India, Spaceport India Foundation, which is also conducting the asteroid search campaign to create awareness in the people.
Yeah, we are running out of time. Can we conclude it? Thank you all for joining us today in the Spaceport India's news channel.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you.